Mia, and if you've always wanted to become a fashion designer, then you've come to the right place. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the Portfolio Fashion Design Sketch Set from Fashion Angels. When you first open it up, there are going to be all these awesome stickers that you can add to your model. You will also see these cool stencils that can pop in and out. And I think that I'm going to use this stencil. It then shows you the 6-page styles of your models that you will be drawing the outfits onto. The instructions are super easy to follow, and it even comes with patterns that you can draw. But you don't have to follow these patterns, you can make your own. It's all up to you. Without further ado, let's get started. To start off, I'm going to outline my model with a colored pencil. The set does include these chroma sticks, but if you don't want to use those, you can also use colored pencils. Once you're done tracing, you can then fill it in with your chroma sticks or colored pencils. The cool thing about chroma sticks is that you can either use the thick side or you can draw lines with the thin side. Now that I'm done coloring in the dress for my model, I'm going to go back and find some stickers that I can add. I think I'm gonna add these stickers. So I'm now done coloring in my model, and this is what I created. So what will you create?